She must have a real objective.
Looks take no notice whatsoever, is it?
Yes, kidnap and ransom. First thing at 9, the night he was.
Is it pecking it up? Oh no.
So tell me you're going to report this.
One by
The Glasgow's finest.
oh no.
Come on, Molly.
Pruning him.
I think it's a lot to do whatever it takes.
There's been a complaint
Yeah.
against you.